How much did I charge my husband to give him our second baby? First up, we have a customized pink G-Wagon as my push present for giving him a baby girl. And of course, I need a nice ride when I'm going to be going out with her. $2 million on a new home because our family is obviously getting bigger and we need more space. $1 million on renovations and interior design to change the lighting, flooring, and also to make a customized pool because I'm not leaving the house to go swimming. It's gonna look so good. $100,000 on 8 Dior bags for her collection and $80,000 on a new Van Cleef collection for her because she's gonna be taking this down the generations and passing it on because it's so timeless. $10,000 on daily postpartum massages for a month for me and baby girl because I need to recover from giving birth. And a monthly budget of $50,000 for her wardrobe to spend on designer clothing, of course. How cute are these clothes? Honestly, I was so obsessed. $200,000 on this customized tennis bracelet that I got made for her. $70,000 on purchasing gold jewelry for her because honestly, buying gold is an investment, so it doesn't really count as shopping. Last but not least, $150,000 on a personal driver and a new car for him to drive me around in.